Have you ever wondered how massive concrete panels are made in factories before they even reach a construction site? Today, we're taking you inside a real precast concrete factory, showing you the full process from steel to structure. This is not your typical dusty construction site. Precast factories are clean, precise, and run on strict timelines. Everything here is done under controlled conditions to ensure quality and speed. Step 1. Steel reinforcement. Before concrete is even poured, skilled workers bend and fix rebars into molds to create the skeleton of the panel. Next, the molds, or formwork, are prepared. Think of this like baking. The mold gives the concrete its exact shape. Every opening, edge, and groove is planned here. Now comes the hero, concrete. Poured carefully into molds using vibrators to remove air pockets and ensure strength. Once cast, panels are left to cure, often under heat or steam, so they gain strength fast, sometimes in just hours. Now comes the magic moment, stripping the mold. The precast panel is lifted out, cleaned, checked, and moved for finishing. Quality is non-negotiable here. Each panel goes through dimensional checks, compressive strength testing, and surface inspections before it's approved. Finally, panels are labeled, stacked, and stored until they're ready for delivery. Each panel is tracked like a product, complete with serial numbers and erection sequence. And that's a full tour of how precast concrete is made, from steel to storage. If this helped you understand construction better, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow engineers.
To move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.